37 minutes ago exactly, this Fortnite map right here called Go Up for Brain Rots has made a grand total of $1.25 million. No, I'm not kidding. $1.2 million. So today I'm going to walk you guys down the exact necessary steps you guys need to get started making money online, making Fortnite maps, and achieving the same success just like this that you're seeing on screen at the palm of your fingertips. And of course, guys, for everybody watching, you guys know the drill. Join the Discord right now in the link in the description to get your hands on your very first pre-made successful map that could potentially make you guys thousands of dollars a month. Join the Discord right now. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this is exactly how you guys can get started making money for yourselves making Fortnite maps. I'm the only person in the entire world teaching you, so let me show you guys exactly how. All you guys have to do is literally go onto the Fortnite Creator Portal engagement payout website, okay? Right here. This goes over how to actually get paid, the engagement payout, and it shows you exactly how to sign into your Epic Games account, download UEFN, and get started. Obviously, I'm going to be showing you guys that already right now anyways, but whatever. Let me show you guys exactly what you need to do. Okay, so the engagement payout is proportional distribution and percentage of the in-island transactions inside of your Fortnite world, but also the item shops and V-Buck and Battle Passes revenue. For example, if Fortnite makes $10 billion a year, 40% of that revenue is going to the creators that are making maps. So how does it diversify and know which one they should be giving out the most money to? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to explain to you guys, my friends. So example, if we go to this game here, Still the Brain Rot, it has made around $33 million just through engagement payout. If we're talking about the in-island transactions, it's probably made around $50 to $60 million. So out of the $10 billion, it has made that. It has made $60 million, right? So a lot of the revenue is generated through us averaging players inside of our worlds and Fortnite paying us because they believe in us and our players that these players will spend money inside of Fortnite. Fortnite is not really making a profit spending all this money inside of their worlds, but they believe they are. They believe that a game averaging 18,000 players will make them a grand total of $22,000 every single day. On average, Fortnite is making $600,000 every hour, which is good, but it could be 2.2 million every hour. It should be $1.5 billion every month. That is how much Epic Games should be making, and it eventually will as I bring more people into the ecosystem, just like you guys watching this video. Now that we have that out of the way, and I have discussed how Fortnite is paying us, the psychology behind it, their reasonings, their why, their motivations, let me show you guys exactly how to get started actually building your first Fortnite map so you guys can achieve success like this as well. Like I said, the video is going to be completely raw and unedited. I don't really like editing content. It's not a laziness thing. It just feels more raw up here, more proactive, passionate, purposeful, whatever, right? Let me show you guys exactly how to get started. All you guys have to do, literally, go to the Epic Games launcher here when you have downloaded Fortnite. And obviously, guys, you have to be 18 years of age to actually get started building games. I advise you guys to send this video to your family, share this video to your cousins, your relatives, if you guys are under the age of 18, so you can motivate and inspire your family to give you your social security number so you can sign up into this business and get started making maps. When you have downloaded the Epic Games launcher, all you have to do is search up Unreal Editor for Fortnite. This is the add-on for Fortnite. Mind you guys, UEFN is not like the Unreal Engine. It's a little bit different. The UI is the exact same, but the capabilities are much more limited because Fortnite specifically, obviously, is a bigger game than the Unreal Engine. So it's an extension, it's an add-on. All I need you guys to do is download UEFN and you're good to go. If we head over to this website right here, little plug, I know, I understand you guys don't like it, but the Fort Mafia Inner Circle is literally changing people's lives. From my content, you guys watching my content like this video here, getting motivated, inspired, joining this program, it has made people thousands of dollars because you get to learn Fortnite map making, connect with 6 to 7 figure Fortnite map makers, learn verse coding and UEFN, have ready to post map templates that can literally make you thousands of dollars a month. And why would you not join? Mr. Beast and Airrack promoted it. Seriously, it's a one-time payment. The results seriously speak for itself. Join the Fort Mafia Inner Circle in the link in the description. I seriously cannot wait to have you guys inside. Obviously, there's limited spots. There's only 50 spots per month, but I can't wait to have you guys inside this program. I love you guys. Now back to the video. Okay, we've established how Fortnite is paying us. We've established how you guys can sign up to the Fortnite Creator Island program, but how do we actually build a game? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay, so we are inside of UEFN. For all of you guys watching this video, some of you are familiar with UEFN. A lot of you guys don't understand what you're looking at, right? So this is exactly what you guys need to get yourself started. UEFN is the platform and the playground to actually allow yourselves the capability to make Fortnite maps and profit off of it. So this is the map that we're going to be loading into, okay? So what I want you guys to do is go into island templates. We're going to load into a flat XL grid island. I'm going to walk you down exactly what you need to do to make maps. And then I'm gonna load into the free maps so you can get in the Discord and post them and show you how they're making thousands of dollars for everybody inside of the Discord and just people on Fortnite making maps themselves. Because why would you not want to save yourselves time and the headache of making maps where you can literally just post a map that's already made for you and innovate off of it? Like I said, guys, the discovery will impact the results of your map if you just upload it flat out. You have to be specific with the criteria and details that you want to transmit inside of your Fortnite island. You actually have to be super specific when you guys are making your maps. It needs to be out of the ordinary. It doesn't have to be so niche, but it does have to have a lot of details, colorful engagement, and it needs to be actually appealing to players when they're actually making your maps, which will show you a replica of what I actually mean. But pretty much what you guys want to do when you load into UEFN, WASD, this is what's going to guide you through UEFN when I'm moving. And you hold the right click on the mouse, right? And you can move around and panel through. If you guys want to change your camera speed, you can go to the top right over here. You'll move around. And here at the bottom right, we have the content drawer. This is pretty much all of the contents that Fortnite has in store for us, which we can literally just drag out. For example, if we want to drag out AI or audio devices, we can literally just drag it out just like this, right? And we can move these arrows here and it will move it up and down and left and right. My webcam may be covering it, but right here it is scaling, as you can see, right? And if you guys want to scale it here, you can right here. But this is essentially how you guys want to be making your maps. And of course, if you want to copy and paste things, hit Control-C, Control-V, and you can drag things across just like this and copy and paste all of the items inside of your world. But that is not what we're here to do today. I'm here to load into the free pre-made maps to help yourselves get started. And we're going to load into this realistics map right here. Here we go. So we're going to load into this nice, awesome realistics map that you guys can literally get for completely free. Obviously, guys, I have mentoring and coaching if you guys need that help and assistance to propel yourselves forward on your map making journey, on your rise to power, on your rise to success, and making money when you guys are making your maps. We have 220 students inside of the Fort Mafia inner circle, one-time payment, while I will mentor and coach you and show you all of the unique strategies and secret tips that you guys need to propel your Fortnite map making journey and make yourselves more money online. So if we go here, here's the realistic Fortnite map, okay? This is what you guys need to be building when you guys are making your maps. This is a full island that you guys can actually have. I'm going to load into another one because, quite frankly, this one isn't as good as the ones that you guys can choose from in the Discord, of course. We'll go into this red versus blue one. This is the actual most profitable maps that are making the most money. These are the most generic, but they also have the most high returns and profitability when you guys are actually making your islands inside of Fortnite. Because the top red versus blue guy, he's in the Discord. He's made over $20 million with literally just one Fortnite map. Okay, so there's obviously a lot of benefit when you guys are making your islands and experiences for kids to play, because you guys are making games for kids at the end of the day. You have to realize that we're creating core childhood memories for these kids that are playing your maps, okay? So here we have this map right here, red versus blue. Sometimes the computer will freeze on you, and this happens at any computer. When you're first loading into a project, it has to render all of the shaders and scripts and assets right here at the bottom right. And then you can load into here, and here we have a nice Darth Vader versus Luke Skywalker, red versus blue. This is perfect for May the 4th be with you, Star Wars Day, which is why people are posting these maps and making thousands of dollars a day making islands and experiences for kids to play, right? So here we have this nice, beautiful map here, which you guys can get into Discord. And of course, guys, obviously I have tutorials where I can educate you guys, but this is essentially how you guys want to be getting started. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to claim your free pre-made map in the Discord in the link in the description. It's been a pleasure having you watch this content. Let me know what types of videos you guys want to see next in the comments down below. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Click the last video on the screen. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. Just send me a text message. You got my email. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace. Fuck it. Here's how I make over $237,000 every single month online making Fortnite maps. So you guys can literally just replicate and emulate and copy me at the palm of your fingertips. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. And just a disclaimer before the video starts is that this was held in my inner circle meeting for Fort Mafia 2.0, which is in the link in the description. So this content that you're seeing is super exclusive. So I highly advise you guys to stick around and watch this video until the end. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Welcome to the Fort Mafia 2.0 inner circle beta launch waitlist content and videos. Inside today, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to actually come up with good ideas inside of your games. Okay, because I know a lot of you guys, we go into Fortnite GG, a lot of cool random stuff here. We don't know what we're looking at. You guys don't know what you're looking at. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to actually come up with good actual ideas when you guys are actually making your games. Because if we go onto Fortnite GG, what are we looking at? You know, how are these people coming up with these cool ideas? And they're averaging thousands and thousands of players. Like if we go to this one here, Mega Ramp Survival, 45,000 players in 20 hours, and it's made around $700,000, which is obviously millions, bro, in whatever respective currency you're from, country, whatever. So today I'm going to show you how to get good ideas. This is what you guys want to do. So I want you guys to write down 3 feelings and 3 things you like to do and enjoy to do as a kid. So for me, the most important things that I like to do as a kid was biking, playing Skylanders, and playing Pixel Gun 3D and mobile games. This is where I'm going with this, okay? So if we go here and we search up create me Fortnite map ideas based around these 3 feelings, because you guys got to remember is that we're creating games for kids and we're creating childhood memories for these guys. We're shifting and creating a paradigm, mindset, identity, everything. Like these are things and stories stories that they're going to be telling when they're adults to their own grandkids and everything, right? This is what we're doing for these people, which is a blessing. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Create me Fortnite map ideas. I want you guys to do this as well, based around these 3 feelings. Okay, so the games and the feelings that I had associated were happiness, excitement, and addiction. I'm super jazzed, guys. I cannot spell. These are the games I enjoyed as a kid. Skylanders, Minecraft, Pixel Gun, 3D. So you're going to see, as I press enter here, it's going to create games that I enjoyed as a kid, because these are the things. See, as you guys can see here, it's updating memory. Here are 3 Fortnite Maps ideas based on happiness, excitement, addiction, inspired by Skylanders, Minecraft, and Pixel Gun 3D. What we're doing here is giving you guys generational wealth of ideas, because you're pretty much creating your old childhood. Like, these are things that you enjoyed to do as a kid. Like, you literally enjoy doing these. Like, you're writing down your own synopsis, own dissection of yourself, and you're reimagining it and making it into Fortnite Maps, because the feelings that you had when you were younger are the same feelings that these kids have when they're playing games. Does that make sense? So that's what we're doing. So if we look here, Skyline Showdown, Blocky Builders Royale, Pixel Mayhem 3D. It's insane, guys. And if you guys look at my testimonials here, I want to show you guys something. The same person who used this method was XMB, who's made $156,000. He reached out to me in my Discord, just like all of you guys have, and he said, Davey, I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. So what we did at the time, he made this game, and it's made over $150,000. It's made in Creative 1.0, and it was last year in January 26th. This is insane, okay? And these next videos coming up, I'm going to teach you guys how to learn UEFN, the basics, the advancements, how do I do custom importing, verse code, marketing, promotion, thumbnails, ideas, every single thing you can think of, each and every day, every 24 hours, 24/7. Love you guys. Thanks for joining the waitlist. See you in the next video. Welcome to the second module in the Fort Mafia beta launch Inner Circle 2.0. Last time we talked about how to create good Fortnite map ideas, and we went over how to actually dissect what you went through as a kid, because they're the same things that kids are enjoying. Do you not think that people aren't going to enjoy Minecraft still to this day? They're literally launching a movie that's going to do $1 billion in the box office, right? Like, we're creating games for kids, and now I want to talk about how you guys can stand out from the competition and others. And it's your own uniqueness. That's what actually makes you stand out, because these go hand in hand together, you know? Because psychologically, the way that I'm standing out right now is because I'm enthusiastic. I have my own personality. I'm believable. I'm confident. I've good intentions with what I'm doing, right? Because I'm not going to lie, guys, your game has to have the same identity. If we go through all of these games here and we take a little look-see, like Chill Guys Pillars, okay? Guy was in my Discord server as well. All of these people I've helped out personally with my own content. They're watching the same videos that you are. They're just applying the information a little bit better than you are, which is why they're having success. So if we go here and we look at Fortnite GG, this guy's made $460,000 since just November. That's insane. That's unheard of. How is he doing this? Okay? Because we have this genre called the Pillars. How is he making his game stand out than other people's? How is he standing out? We go Pillars. We search up Pillars here. Look at all of the games. Look at all the games. They all have thousands and thousands of players. Why is his standing out than the others? Well, if we look here, Chill Guy was a meme coin. If you guys know about Chill Guys and meme coin and trading, this is what you guys want to be doing to stand out. You want to have competitive advantages and stand out ahead of the other market. And this is how you do it, okay? So go into ChatGPT and search up, what are 3 ways to stand out of the competition, of the rest of the competition, okay? Because I want you guys to understand that the ideas are within you, okay? And it's what you instill, what you want to create inside of Fortnite. It's nobody else's fault except your own, okay? You are the only one to blame. So this is what you guys want to be doing, okay? With the ideas that I gave you in the last module yesterday, I want you guys to talk about the things that you enjoyed to do as a kid as ideas. Because when you go back onto ChatGPT and we look here, Skyline Showdown, Block Builders Royale, all of these games are making us stand out from the competition. They go hand in hand together. And you can make thumbnails out of this. You can learn verse code out of this. You can use Versify, which will give you free credits instantly. All you have to do is join my Discord in the link in the description. It's insane what you can do, okay? So the best way to stand out from the competition is your personal brand, uniqueness, and self-identity. And the way that you build all of those is by trial and error and repetition. There's no other way, boys. There's no singular other way than rinse and repeat until you defeat and fail. And you keep trying and you keep trying and you eventually succeed. But then you're going to fail more and more and more. You succeed once, you fail a whole bunch of times, you succeed once, but you're always chasing the highs. You're always getting up and up and up. You're never declining, okay? Stay sharp, everyone, okay? This was the second video on Fort Mafia 2.0 Inner Circle beta launch. Let's go to the third one. So all you guys have to do is search up create me similar games to whatever genres or ideas that you guys like and base it off of Fortnite maps that are popular today. And as soon as you press enter, this is exactly where the magic happens. Because if you guys are looking at my screen, here are 3 Fortnite map ideas based on Skylanders, basketball, and soccer while incorporating elements that are popular and trendy in Fortnite today. So here we have the first one, Skylanders inspired adventure map. PvE, PvP Skylanders adventure with elemental islands, fire, earth, water, air, mixed with tilted towers and puzzles and elements and AI bosses, and the last survivor wins the game. And Sky Stadium, where it's a fast-paced futuristic basketball game where players can power up an ability and dunk on their opponents. And the trending inspiration is from Octane Racing like Rocket League, because obviously Rocket League got acquired by Epic Games and they sold their business and company. So it's very fascinating what you guys can actually do with map making, because if you guys are looking here, we can jump through all of the collections and genres. Like nobody's even playing these Fall Guys games. They're doing terrible. Yet this game right here that only averages 100 players a day is making $7,000 a month for only averaging 100 players a day, guys. 100 players. That is monumentally insane. And that's why I'm making millions of dollars for my clients inside of the space making games, which is why you guys definitely need to purchase the Patreon in the link in the description to get started making games. It's literally $15 for 25 custom games that you guys can repost and make thousands and thousands of dollars a month. Because if you guys are looking here, there's 1.9 million people playing Fortnite. Almost 2 million. And in the last 24 hours, there was 3 million, and they peaked around 14 million 2 months ago with the Juice WRLD live event, which was phenomenal and amazing. And if we come over here, there's only 41,000 people making games. And that's all because of me. I've generated at least 30,000 people inside of the industry. I'm number one in the entirety of the space on YouTube, and there's 12 people that's made $10 million. I know majority of the people that have made that money. I've helped them. And it's kind of insane the impact that I can have on millions of people. You know, 11 people have made $3 million. That could be you. I want you to use this video as motivation and join the Discord, get the Patreon, get yourself started. Okay? Because there is cost to this. It's either your time or it's money helping you make games. That is a sacrifice. It's months and months on end getting nowhere. Or you can shortcut the process and join my community and have thousands and thousands of people help you make games, because that's all I'm trying to do. That's why this video was kind of clean cut, barely any editing on this video, because I'm trying to speak to you, right? I want this to be the biggest business. I am going to make it the biggest business. I have a software company that's going to be $1 billion business. We're selling that to Epic Games, and that allows you to build full custom games with AI. It's insane what we can all do together when we stand together and unite and become the best of the best with our capabilities, our thoughts, beliefs, actions, habits, everything. We can do it. All right? I believe in you. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know your thoughts down below. Join the Discord, get the Patreon, click the top video that's on your screen right now. It's an amazing content piece of work that will help you get started. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace.